SearchGPT initial testing will start with around 10,000 people. Recently, OpenAI unveiled its plan to launch a new tool, SearchGPT, an artificial intelligence AI-powered search tool that provides access to information based on the internet. SearchGPT could pose a threat to search engines such as Google, as it provides organized information and summaries instead of returning pages of links as Google does. The search results can be followed up with relevant queries using a chat box at the bottom of the page. However, the summaries are expected to have inline attributions and links, making it easier for users to find out where the information has originated from and to read more on the topic. Currently, OpenAI is testing the proposed model of this tool and has provided a waitlist for those who are curious about what the search engine will look like and to get early access to it. How to get early access to SearchGPT? To join the SearchGPT waitlist, users must already have a ChatGPT account and be logged in. Visit the waitlist page at https://chatgpt.com/search. Click the Join Waitlist button. The button should turn gray with a check mark indicating successful addition to the waitlist. According to OpenAI, the initial testing will start with up to 10,000 people. However, it has not been confirmed how long the testing will last or when the tool will be incorporated into the ChatGPT service.